What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I didn't feel like doing this first impression indoors, so I just stepped out. Today we're going to do a first impression of a new released fragrance from Mancera. This is called Melody of the Sun. I believe this was released in 2022. I have not checked out the notes of late, so like when I purchased it, that was the only time I was actually looking into it. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed and hit the thumbs up button. Let's see. Let's find out what Melody of the Sun is all about. I believe this packaging looks somewhat similar to Jardin exclusif, or you guys let me know, because this is going to be my third fragrance from Mancera, so I'm not too familiar with all the similar kind of packaging and stuff, but this is what it looks like. Again, this is a first impression. I have no idea what to expect. Looked citrusy from the notes when I was checking it online. Let's see. Of course, the golden pouch. I'm a little tight in space over here. Okay, so the bottle, this is what the bottle looks like. Yeah, that's it. And this is, again, a magnetic cap, not one of your twist caps. All right, let's see. Here goes. Decent atomizer. Well, the dead plants. Wow. Smells very fresh, citrusy, and the citrus is not sharp. It's very smooth, almost like candied citrus. Feels like almost like lemon zest. Some kind of florals coming through, which is very nice, smooth and nice. Like sometimes people complain Mancera fragrances having really harsh opening, but this one's really smooth and it's pretty loud. I guess it's some kind of white florals, most likely neroli. I don't remember the notes right now, like I said. I did see some people say that it leans a bit too much towards feminine side, and in my opinion, this one is more balanced. It's more unisex. Yeah, so the opening is like fresh candied citrus. It has that tad bit sweetness. It's not too sweet. It's juicy, of course, and florals kind of give it that, like, a very laid back beach vacation feel. And it's not one of your suntan or sunscreen lotion vibe, but it has that creamy texture to it. It's very smooth. Some sweetness is coming through right now. Like, of course, this is only a first impression. I'm sure this is gonna develop quite a lot, but yeah, so there's some kind of a sweetness there. I wouldn't say it's very sweet. I would say it's somewhere between moderate to moderate low. That kind of sweetness. Kind of scenery you might think about with this one, with Melody of the Sun. Melody of the Sun, I'm sorry. You kind of feel a very relaxed linen pants, shirt, white shirt, or any other color, but something light by the beach or by the river, sipping on some beer or some soda, and you just enjoy the view. Lovely scent. Again, Blind Buy, Melody of the Sun, Mancera, and let me show you the box real quick. I think it's a 2022 batch, in case you're wondering. So far I know this is a fragrance from 2022, or was it? Yeah, I think it was in 2022 when they released it first. So let me know in the comments, have you tried this fragrance? If you have any experience with this one, let me know your thoughts. What do you feel about this one? So this is only my third Mancera fragrance in my collection. Good stuff, good stuff. I'm in spring to summer. Definitely can recommend. I wouldn't say highly recommended, but if you're looking to blind buy, this is something blind buy worthy. But just be sure that there are florals, some white florals, and some sweetness to it. So make sure you like that genre of fragrances. So until the next video, guys, please take care, stay safe, and Make sure you're subscribed. Do not miss on the subscription because I do giveaways. You don't want to miss them. Hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like this. So until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.